Aquaculture is a huge emerging industry, especially here in Newfoundland. In 2009, over 50% of the world's marine protein was produced using aquaculture. Think salmon, shrimp, and shellfish. However, while producing this marine protein, there are some drawbacks. And one that's generally not thought about is biofouling. This is the growth of algae and other settling organisms on cages, lines, ropes, and nets in aquaculture. It also occurs in pretty much anything you put in the water. You'll see growth on basically anything. So in aquaculture, this can inhibit the growth of target species and the overall health of the target species by reducing water flow and therefore oxygen consumption, as well as harboring pathogens and diseases in the fouling itself. It also costs the industry around 15% of total production costs. So how's it controlled? Currently, it's controlled in two different ways. That is net changing and cleaning, which is the manual removal of biofouling using scrubbing or power washing. And the second main method that's used is chemical control. And often that is with copper-based treatments. Copper is toxic to most marine organisms and affects larval stages and the reproduction of marine fish as well. Generally, there is a combination of both of these two methods which is used to control aquaculture. But what if we could naturally remove aquaculture or control it? My research focuses on using spider crabs in the Bahamas to naturally remove algae and other settling organisms from biofouling structures. My results have shown over a 90% decline in biofouling when using crabs to remove species from cages. In a commercial setting, this could reduce environmental impacts and reduce costs in the aquaculture industry. For us as a consumer, this can in turn reduce the costs of the main target species, as well as introducing a new species for the commercial aquaculture industry to potentially market and improve their incomes. Thank you.